Now, in a major development today on June 21st, 2026, over 22 lakh medical aspirants viewers are appearing for the NEET UG 2026 re-examination at more than 5,440 centers across 551 cities in India and 14 international locations. The National Testing Agency is conducting the pen and paper test from 2 p.m. to 5:15 p.m. IST, following the cancellation of the original May 3 exam due to alleged paper leak irregularities. Unprecedented security measures are in place. Question papers were transported via Indian Air Force aircrafts with around 2 lakh personnel deployed for biometrics, facial recognition, CCTV monitoring, jammers and 3-tier frisking. Paper setters were reportedly under lockdown protocols. Admit cards are live on the official NTA portal, and authorities have urged students to stay calm and focused. Reports from Ground Zero, including Chennai and Patna, show aspirants arriving for verification amid a mix of nervousness and determination. This retest comes after significant stress on students, with some tragic reports of suicides linked to the earlier controversy. The Supreme Court has deferred related petitions to July. Results are expected in the coming weeks. And joining me now are my colleagues across the country, viewers, to get us a comprehensive view of what really is the situation on the ground. I have joining me Prakhar Jain from Bhopal and Sakshi Sharma from Chandigarh. Let me go across to Prakhar first. Prakhar, we have been covering this since morning for our viewers, and you and I have had these conversations since the morning, but I want you to give us the latest updates.
Yeah, so there's last half an hour left for students to enter the exam centers. I would like you to show some visuals outside the exam center. Students are being gathered at the entry points. The special checkings are being taken care of. Students are only allowed with the permittable items, be it water bottles or other wearable items. It is being reported from all over the Madhya Pradesh, from several exam centers, that female students were asked to remove their metal ornaments. Male students, especially in centers from Riva, were asked to remove the zips and buttons of which are of metal. This is being reported that at some centers the security personnel cut down the zips and buttons from bottom wear of male students. Talking about the students' reaction, we have been talking to students and parents since morning. There are mixed reactions of stress, anxiety, and also students are confident of what they have been preparing since long for this day only. Incidentally, if I talk about this particular center, this is Subhash Excellence School in Bhopal. Incidentally, there are 3 centers adjoining to this very center. So there are cases being reported of students reaching to the wrong center. Some students whose center has been allocated the Kendriya Vidyalaya, which is almost at the walking distance from this center. Students from there are also reported to be reaching this particular center, who were then escorted by the security personnel to their respected center. They have guided the students to reach to their center. Right now, we talk about the security arrangements. There are 3 layers of security arrangements. At first, you can see at this entrance point the admit card and the identity proofs are being taken care of. They are being thoroughly checked. If there is any mistake, they are being students are asked to bring the document first. There are cases since morning when students, they have brought wrong ID proof, or they have not brought some of the document which are listed over there. There are identity proofs which are listed, like admit card, ID proof, 2 passport size photographs, 1 postcard size photo, and transparent white bottle. So some students were also asked to not to take their water bottles because they were not transparent. They were somewhat, we can say, they were translucent, or they have some prints over them. So security from the very first gate is being tightened. If we look into the pictures from inside, I will show you the special booths have been made for female students checkup. They are being checked. If anything, any item which is not permissible is being taken by a student, so it is to be removed outside only. Jammers have been deployed, CCTV cameras have been deployed. You can also see security personnel inside the exam centers who are being taken care of, because biometric authentication is also done. So these are some last moments, last few minutes, I can say, when students are allowed to enter inside. So last few minutes and last few candidates are left to enter inside. Apart from this, this is a very big failure of the official team. I want viewers to have look at some visuals of how the parents of these candidates. There are about 600 candidates who are giving their exams inside, and parents are waiting outside. You can see there is no arrangement as claimed by the officials. There are no arrangements of sitting. There are no arrangements of drinking water. This is a hot, scorching Sunday afternoon, which is very tragic and very terrible to handle. So this is a very big blow to the claims made by the officials from the NTA and other. And this is not the story of only one center. There are 3 centers nearby, and I can tell you we have been to all 3 of them. Out of 3, only 1 exam centers have deployed the necessary arrangements for parents outside the center. So this is a very concerning situation for the parents also. For about more than 3 hours, they have to wait outside the exam center in this hot, scorching sun. You can see there are some emotional moments also, because this is the last moment. We would like to talk to the parents also. Sir, was she your daughter?
Yeah,
She was getting emotional, I guess.
I think so, little bit.
So what you have told her in these last moments?
Don't get panic, be cool, and focus on your question, nothing else. Don't think about surrounding or whatever happening, nothing. Don't forget everything.
What you can say about this re-NEET exam? These are just few months, or I can say 2 months of the gap when she have to be appearing for the second time, and that too without any result.
No comments for this. No comments. Thank you so much.
So you can see there are some visuals we have been encountering since morning like these, where candidates are getting emotional as they are entering for re-NEET exam in the span of less than 3 months in again without any results. So these are some visuals we have also seen. There are political agitations like the yajns happening in Bhopal. So there is a comprehensive kind of thing we have been witnessing since morning on this NEET exam. So over to you.
All right. I also have Sakshi Sharma. She's joining me from Chandigarh. And I also see that Brian Thomas is joining me now from Delhi. Let me just go across to Sakshi first, who's